everyone, me again. I've sort of got a random one this time. It's not really a look, it's just a few products that I wanted to share with you and I thought that they might be beneficial. As you know, I love Perricone. I love that kind of no makeup look anyway, but I also love their philosophy of that kind of like three-pronged approach where skincare is as important as your diet and they also do supplements. So it's kind of like a 360 approach. We've talked about this before. But this cleanser is a gentle and soothing cleanser. Now, I do use a balm cleanser in the morning. I'm sure we've talked about this. If we haven't, remind me, I'm sure we have. I do need to do a bit of an edit and check through what I've talked about. But this really helps clean my skin because it contains salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid is, in simplest terms, oil-loving. So it extracts oil from your skin, obviously very gently. Now, if I use too many kind of nourishing products on my skin gets lazy and it needs a proper clean. So I've really found that in this kind of like turn of season that actually using a salicylic cleanser in the morning or at night, depending on how I'm feeling, has really helped keep my skin scrupulously clean because it tends to get very blocked here. It's really blooming needy, my skin. It's dry, it's dehydrated, and it's blocked. This has got everything going on. I think they call it combination skin, Caroline. Anyway, it's just needy. So yes, just if you're feeling that your skin is blocked, you're getting more blackheads, and you need your skin needs a boost. This range from Perricone, it's called Blemish Relief. Now in America, it's called Acne Relief. Different over here. Look at the reviews, and the reviews speak for themselves. It's brilliant, and it again is so gentle. There are actually 4 products within the range. So if you are struggling with your skin and you're getting hormonal spots, stress spots, spots for any reason at all, at whatever age you are, then use this system, put everything else to the side, take the 4 products. You can get a box, I think it is, for about 80 quid. And just use the products. It's a combination of retinols and salicylic. It's brilliant, and it will not disrupt the moisture barrier in your skin. So that's a top tip if you don't know about it and you're suffering. Secondly, oh my God, I'm not sure whether you follow me on Instagram, but I have discovered this brand called S. It's a South African brand, and I was introduced to it by a facialist called Nicola Joss, who I know from working in magazines, just loads of celebrities. And she has these incredible hands, and she has this great deep tissue massage. And she does these bespoke skincare consultations online. So you pay for the consultation and she says, right, okay, yes, you can have all these products. And lots of them are sort of clinic-based products. This is a clinic-based product, so you can buy it online. And if you have dry skin, parched skin, dehydrated skin, or you want to achieve a glow without that kind of occlusive feeling to your skin where it feels sticky, this is just beautiful. I mean, it is a beautiful product. I'd never heard of the brand before, and it's pre and probiotic. Now, mark my words, you've heard so much about hyaluronic, and then every year there's always these kind of like keywords in beauty that everyone kind of gets attracted to and excited to, and then every product's got it on. Pre and probiotic. This is where we're going because the moisture barrier in our skin has been very disrupted because of wearing masks, because of our stressful environment. There are a lot of sensitized skins out there, and also people are using too many abrasive products on their skin, like AHA and glycolic is amazing. It's amazing, but we're overdoing it. And if you keep stripping back your skin and not feeding your skin, then you're going to have an issue. And I believe this is the way forward. Anyway, please, I'll put the link below and have a look. This is nothing that I'm getting paid for or anything. I just love it, and I just think it's really exciting, and it's pretty much gold seal pre and probiotics, this range. There are lots of pre and probiotic range, but this is quite a special range. Anyway, so when you put the oil on, it's quite thick. It's not drippy, and I put it on after my skincare if I'm feeling a little bit tight after my normal skincare. I put it over my makeup. It's beautiful as a primer if you want that glow, which I love. It is just fantastic. So yeah. Next up, Max Factor Miracle Second Skin. Again, probiotic, and also contains coconut milk. So I'm just sort of tending to use products that are very calming on my skin. My shade in this one is light medium, and this is just pretty much the staple tinted moisturiser that I've been using. It feels really light, it covers well. People have fed back to me and said, oh, I like it, but it's quite heavy. I'm like, heavy? Oh God, what do you usually use? I mean, you know, you want to put something on, unless I'm kind of going for something that's really sort of super sheer, I'm just putting an extra blob there, let that soak in so my friend can sod off. So I think when you put it on, it might feel like it's got more coverage than normal tinted moisturiser, but oh, it feels so nice on. I just love the smell, love the smell. So let's just dab that over there. So this is lovely. I'll show you the oil over the top, but this is just the one product that I've been using. Comes in 13 shades. There's a colour for everybody, and again, it's just really nice, and again, super hydrating throughout the day. So for instance, if I'm at work and I want to get that real kind of like spa-like skin on a client, I just dab it in over the top. I mean, you can't overdo it. It just doesn't feel greasy or sweaty or anything. It just feeds the skin, it rebalances the skin. You can tell that I love it. And also, it's been great on lips. I've never had such soft lips before. So yes, a top tip if you are in need of something to hydrate your skin. Where are we? Okay, well, I'll go to lips. I've got a lip product to show you from Shiseido, but also the Ultra Comfort Rescue Mask from Ren. Ren was incredible to our NHS within lockdown. They gave away thousands of the masks from the Evercalm range. Now again, if you have sensitive, dry skin, or just sensitive skin actually, Ren is amazing at really affordable, sustainable, clean skincare. And this mask has just been an absolute, I don't know if that's going to go in focus, I'll do my best, a real lifesaver for so many people. And David, who's the global ambassador for Ren, explained to me that the mushroom extract in this mask acts like Nurofen for your skin. So if it's really grumpy, just pop it on, just go to sleep in it if you can. Really nice. So I wanted to share that with you because I've been using that sort of 2 or 3 times a week. And my lip crayon from Shiseido, which I absolutely love, because these are all things that I love, so I don't want to keep banging on about, oh, I love it, I love it. I do. And this one is bare. So if I'm doing something really simple and pared back, but I just want a bit of shape to my mouth because the vermilion line on my mouth is fading slightly and I've got quite pale lips. I wasn't blessed with, you know, those lovely kind of natural pinky berry lips that people have. Anyway, one end is a really nice lip primer, and it smooths out the skin, but it just kind of gives that real kind of like velvety, satisfying. I really noticed that when I make a noise, the product's always a winner. If I don't make a noise, no, put that to the side. And this is the shade. Now it is very natural, but I like it, 1 as a base, but 2 just as a real fill-in, because it's literally my natural colour of my own lip, like a ventriloquist. It takes a little bit longer to get the shape because obviously it's not a lipstick, but the texture, as in so many Japanese products, is lush. And they get all different shades, lots of pinks and plums, but I've just kind of really loved the simplicity of this. If I don't really want to wear too much, or I want a bit of shape to my mouth, I've been really loving this. And again, I'm all about texture, I'm all about how makeup feels, and this just feels super simple and super comfortable. I hope that was all right. I think I got through everything. I felt like I'm in a bit of a rush. Oh, my nail varnish. Oh, 73% plant power. The new Nails Ink collection is absolutely fantastic. Vegan nail polishes, they're cruelty-free, but they are long wear and they are so good for your nails. And as you know. This one's called What's Your Spirituality? I love the names of nails ink, and I just love the colours, and it's just a brilliant range. So yes, been loving my nails ink colours, and they last for about 2 or 3 days, and I'm really heavy-handed and clumsy. So yeah, top tip. Anyway guys, look forward to chatting to you below, and I hope some of that was helpful.